Take your first cord and fold it evenly in half and attach it to your keyring with a lark's head knot. Repeat with your second cord. Take your third cord and again fold it evenly in half and place this directly behind the 4 cords hanging down. Now tie this new cord around the ones hanging down with a square knot. Now we're going to tie an endless falls knot. So just take your outer cords and cross them over each other to form a loop above the 4 cords in the middle. It's going to look like you have 2 well-defined loops. We're going to take the 2 cords in the middle right and send them over to go through the loop on the right. Now the 2 cords on the middle left go over to go through the left loop. Then we're just going to pull on those 2 outer cords to begin tightening everything up, while also adjusting the cords in the middle to smooth it all out. Now take the 2 cords on the far left, and my green cord's going to come on the inside here. And I'm going to take the cord now on the far left and tie 2 vertical lark's head knots around this. Now we're going to do the same on the right side. So I'm just going to switch places here with the 2 far right cords. Now my pink cord is going to tie around my green cord with vertical lark's head knots. The 2 pink cords that are in the middle is where I'm going to slide my first bead onto. Just like that. Now I'm just going to switch those green cords back so they are on the outside and all my pink cords are here in the middle. And we're going to tie another endless falls knot the exact same way as before. Just like that. And now our first little flower is complete. And now I'm going to tie another square knot with my green cords around my pink cords. Just like that. Now my first section of my keychain is complete. Now if you need a little extra help forming your flowers, please check out my very detailed tutorial that is available here on YouTube. I will link it down in the description below if you need a little extra help. Now otherwise, we're just going to repeat the exact same steps to form a second flower. So once again, we just start with that endless falls knot. And now my two flowers are complete. Now I'm going to tie one more flower exactly the same way as before. And now you can totally end your keychain just like this with just that last square knot. But to take it one step further, I am going to tie off my ends with a gathering knot. So you need to bring in a fourth cord, and I'm going to fold this cord in half so that I have a short little tail, a loop that hangs below, and then a long piece of cord on the other side. I'm just going to place this directly on top of all of my other ropes, and then taking that long cord, I'm going to begin wrapping it around everything. And as you wrap, you just want to make sure that short little tail sticks up and your loop is hanging below. Once you have that wrapped a few times, take that long end you were just using and stick it through the loop. Then we're going to take that short tail sticking up and pull on it until the loop and other cord pulls through the gathered section. About halfway through that section, I say. Then take both ends of that gathering knot and pull them together to just tighten up that knot to make sure it doesn't come undone. Then I like to pull each individual end that is hanging down below just to smooth out any other cords that are part of the project. Then I'm going to cut off that top section from the gathering knot. And if there's any pieces that stick up, you can take an object with an end and just push them back through the gathering knot. And then your last step is to take your scissors and just trim the ends to the desired length. And now our flower keychain is finished. Here's just an example of the flower keychain in a different color palette. Okay, so you can make as many different color palettes as you would like for your flower keychain. So I hope you guys found this video helpful and inspiring, and thank you so much for watching.